So clearly, as we have just shown you, there is a clear timeline where you can see where all Umar went when he got to know that the police are close at his heels. And that is afterwards, realizing that he is sort of cornered right now, he decided to go ahead with a mission, his nefarious mission. And in that, we know that his entire plan, along with his associates, had been underway for almost past 2 years. Dr. Muzammil, who got cornered earlier, and Dr. Adil, who got cornered in Saharanpur, they were all connected to Umar. And Umar, when he heard about all this, he got most likely panicked, and that is when he decided to go ahead with his execution of that blast. Now, these were the key conspirators. But what is surprising also is that they were also connected to a man in Turkey who was most probably their handler. Joining us right now is India Today's Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, do tell us, the entire web is not just interstate. It is now also connected to Turkey in Ankara. Try and explain to us how these connections make sense. How was Umar connected to this man in Ankara? How was he getting any kind of a support from there? And could that connection in Ankara lead to some other connections in other countries as well?
It could be, definitely, but this handler that we're talking about, he is sitting in Ankara. He is guised under code name Ukasa. For our viewers, Ukasa is a code name for spider web in the language of Arabic. Now, he is the one that is being suspected. In fact, he or she, because we still do not know the revelation about this handler who's sitting in Turkey, from where the operation was being guided. And if we do know what the investigators are suggesting, this operation was in the second phase, and that is when it got busted by the investigators, when Jammu and Kashmir police alertness, spotting that posters in Nogam in Kashmir, led to that cleric, and he was arrested on the 27th, followed by the arrest of Muzammil on 30th, and then the entire model bust open.
Right, absolutely. And if we look at it, clearly this was something that was going on for 2 years. So if the investigations proceed, and as they are clearly proceeding and the police is moving with caution, we will be getting more details. Shreya, do stay on with us. But let's meanwhile first hear what Haryana police has done while they have raided the Okhla office of the Al Falah University. Remember, that is where all this plotting was done. Listen into what the legal advisor of the university is now saying.
दिल्ली में लाल किला के पास हुए ब्लास्ट के मामले की जांच चल रही है। वहीं इस मामले को लेकर अल्फा यूनिवर्सिटी का भी नाम जुड़ा है और उसकी भी जांच के दायरे में वो यूनिवर्सिटी आई है। और उसके जो दिल्ली का हेडक्वार्टर है वहाँ पर आज हरियाणा की टीम, जो दिल्ली पुलिस के साथ हरियाणा पुलिस की टीम पहुंची है, उसकी तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा देते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं तस्वीरों में, ये जो ऑफिस है अंदर की तस्वीरें आपको दिखा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अभी भी पुलिस टीम मौजूद है। बता दें, जो अल फलाह यूनिवर्सिटी है उसका हेडक्वार्टर यही जामिया नगर दिल्ली के ओखला इलाके में है, और जो कैंपस है वो फरीदाबाद में है। और ये यूनिवर्सिटी का जो कागज़ी कार्रवाई है वो यही ओखला के इलाके से होती है। और इसकी बिल्डिंग की तस्वीरें हम आपको दिखा देते हैं। और ये जब से मामला हुआ है तब से ये यूनिवर्सिटी भी जांच एजेंसियों के जद में आई है, और यहाँ भी जांच किया जा रहा है। और जांच का दायरा जो है वो दिल्ली के जो हेडक्वार्टर है यहाँ तक भी पहुँचा है। और यहाँ आज हरियाणा पुलिस की टीम पहुँची है, साथ में दिल्ली पुलिस की भी टीम पहुँची है। और जो इसके मामले की पूरी जो जांच है वो अलग अलग एंगल से यहाँ पर किया जा रहा है।
यहाँ पर फरीदाबाद पुलिस के लोग आए थे, उन्हें सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करने थे यहाँ से। कोई भी रूम नंबर 13 से रिलेटेड हमारे से उन्होंने कोई चीज नहीं मांगी। हमारे से उन्होंने कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स मांगे थे, जैसे लैंड के डॉक्यूमेंट्स मांगे थे, और उन्होंने बिल्डिंग से रिलेटेड डॉक्यूमेंट मांगे थे। ये तमाम डॉक्यूमेंट्स उनको हमने प्रोवाइड करा दिए।
So clearly the investigations are going on, and one by one there are many things that are coming to fore. Not only about the man who executed this blast, which is Umar, as you see him on your screens right now. caught on multiple CCTV cameras across the city as he moved about in the city before he finally executed what was his plan.